Meghalaya TMC leader and MDC from Balachanda, Agassi Marak, visited flood-affected areas of Songkapara village in Salsela AC in West Garo Hills. This comes as part of the party's ongoing relief efforts after flash floods impacted over 5 lakh lives across the state. Agassi Marak used boats to reach inaccessible villages that are cut from the mainland and assess the damage brought on by the incessant rain in various areas of the hamlet. Agassi Marak was accompanied by 2 local TMC leaders, Vincent Coach and Sushil Coach. During his visit, Balachanda MDC Agassi Marak spoke to flood-affected families and also provided necessary assistance. Floods have not only hampered the village's connectivity but also have damaged local crops. Spreading the areas of Meghalaya TMC in these tough times, Marak said, "We are together in what has befallen us and we shall make it through." Extending assistance to Songkapara residents, Agassi Marak gave a boat to the community and promised to provide ongoing moral and material support in times of need.